this video, I'm going to talk about improper fractions and mixed numbers. Remember, an improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. The value of that improper fraction is always going to be more than 1. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. This is a mixed number because we have a whole number and we have a fraction, 1 1/3. If I want to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction, I can start by writing the denominator, because I'm working with thirds here. Now I'm going to start at the denominator. I'm going to multiply by the whole number. 3 times 1 is 3, and add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have 4 thirds. And this is what 1 1/3 is equal to 4 thirds. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. And if you look at the whole picture, it's 1 whole and 1/3 of another. Let's look at another one. Now I have 1 1/4. That's a mixed number because it's a mixture of a whole number and a fraction. I can start by writing the denominator because I'm working with fourths this time. I'm going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. 4 times 1 is 4. And then add the numerator. I've got 5 fourths. And if you look over here now, again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fourths, or 1 1/4. In our next example, I have 3 1/2. I want to make this an improper fraction, so I'm going to start by writing the denominator. I'm working with halves, so the denominator is 2. I'm going to multiply 2 times 3 because we're working with halves. There's 2 halves in every one. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And if you look over here, we have our mixed number is 1, 2, 3 1/2, or we have 7 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 1/2 is a mixed number. 7 over 2 is an improper fraction. Now in this example we have an improper fraction, 5 halves, and we want to make it a mixed number. Now I can start by writing my denominator because again I'm working with halves. I'm going to divide the numerator by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times, so that's my whole number. And I've got 1 left over. That's going to be my numerator. Let's look at what that looks like. Okay, you can see we have 2 1/2 circles. Or if you look at the halves, we have 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves. In this example, the improper fraction is 7 thirds. I know when I make it a mixed number, it's going to be more than 1 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. 3 thirds would be 1 whole. I have 7 thirds. I'm going to start by writing my denominator because I'm working with thirds. 3 goes into 7 2 times, so that's going to be my whole number. And then I've got 1/3 left over, so 7 thirds is equal to 2 1/3. You can see over here we have 2 circles and 1/3 of another one, or we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thirds. So improper fractions and mixed numbers are very closely related. And just remember, an improper fraction, the numerator is larger than the denominator. It's always more than 1. And a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction.